How to fix Shark Air Purifier stuck on 0. Doesn't really say 0 here, but we have the model. Now, if your Shark Air Purifier is stuck on a 0 air quality, it usually means the sensor isn't detecting changes or airflow is restricted. So you can start by turning the unit off and unplugging it, then remove and check the filter. So if your filters look like this, then that means it's clean. Or if it doesn't, you could always go ahead and try cleaning them or replacing the filters. So if it is dirty or clogged, clean or replace it, and that's pretty much it. But another option is to locate the air quality sensor. It's usually near a small vent behind the device itself. So what you're going to do is to gently clean it with a soft brush or compressed air, since dust buildup can cause it to read incorrectly. And after that, you can plug the unit back in and turn it on to see if the reading updates. So one of the first options is just maintenance and seeing if cleaning will do the trick. Now, it could be the same thing for other kinds of models, so try it on those as well. But another thing, if the issue still continues, try resetting the purifier by holding the power button, like this icon, for about 10 to 15 seconds. So by that, make sure the unit isn't placed in an area with perfectly clean air, as it may genuinely read 0, and try moving it to a different room to test. Also check for airflow blockages or improper filter installation. But other than that, if it is still stuck after those steps, the sensor may be fully faulty and could require servicing or replacement. You could look for more information about that in their official website. They could give you support. If you could go down here and then go to the contact us, you could tell them your situation and they could tell you what you can do next to fix or solve this problem. But those are a few options you can do if you are having this error for your Shark Air Purifier. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.